Alright guys, this is my new Range Rover. This is gonna be Project Widebody Range Rover number 1 from 1016 Industries. You guys saw us teasing the renders, my renders, the body kit being teased on that green one. Probably 2 weeks away to getting the actual kit, and it's gonna go on this car. This is the long wheelbase Range Rover. There's many variances of the new Range Rover. I'm gonna explain because a lot of my clients don't understand, and I'm gonna put it in video. 2 engines, V6, V8. There is 2 lengths of this vehicle, short wheelbase, long wheelbase. This is the long wheelbase. You can really tell by the longer rear door. The old ones used to have an L right here indicating that they are the long ones, but this one has no difference. So this is the long wheelbase. It has 7 seats. In the back trunk, there's 2 seats that fold and open and close, and you can put 7 people in there, which is the first for this Range Rover. The rear seat has a lot of room, which is nice. There's also an autobiography version, which has slightly better interior, speakers, a little bit more amenities, that kind of stuff. And they offer that in the long and short. And they also have an SV version offered in long and short as well. The SV is the top of the line one, which has even more luxury amenities inside. They usually have the reclining seats. There's also a first edition I'm forgetting, which was the first series that came out. SV is the most expensive, starting at around $230,000 and goes up from there. The SV has slight differences on the outside, a little bit nicer emblems, a little bit nicer finishes. The front bumper has a slight different detail. The front grille is different as well. I actually ordered the SV front grille for this one because I like it. This one has these square rectangles. The SV is just lines. So I think I'm gonna be wrapping this in satin pearl white fully. It's gonna have our RDB 0 wheels on there. It's gonna have the wide body kit from 1016. But I'm gonna go inside the car, show you guys a little bit about how awesome this new Range Rover is. I've owned the Range Rover pretty much ever since I was able to buy one, 2006 and up, really. So I've had like 3-4 different models of the Range Rover, and this is so far my favorite one, honestly. It's so comfortable, it's fast, the interior is great, the seats are finally comfortable, honestly. Entertainment interface inside is actually really nice finally, because they were always lacking on that. 514 miles, because I've had it for about 2 weeks now already. I mean, look at this, starting with the steering wheel. Piano black finishing everywhere. Steering wheel is such a great design, honestly. They did a very good job with the steering wheel. The dashboard right here also, you got a split 3-way screen where you have the map, your gear, mile per hour. On this side, you have all the options. You know what, let's start it. This is the screen right here in the middle. Honestly, a pretty nice big screen, and it's wireless CarPlay, of course. So very easy. You have your map, and then you could get into obviously all your other stuff. This car has lighting inside too, so it has nice lighting all around. You could change the colors, whatever. It also has this rear view camera for the rear view mirror that you could actually switch off. This car has a lot of cameras everywhere. So this is really cool because this is actually the car right here. It shows the doors open because Joe's in the way of the door. You could be driving around the freeway and literally get a 360 view of your car. So it's not showing that area because the door's open, but like I said, it has cameras everywhere. Even the rear has a camera from the roof, cabin lighting, so you could change all the lights from here to red, purple, whatever you want. And then you have a weight sensing mode, which is pretty cool, I thought. I'm never gonna use it, but if I ever decide to go into water, this actually tells me how deep in water I am. The lease and finance rates on these cars are ridiculous. Gonna tell you now, I had to fight over this thing. Everybody wants 25 to 40 grand over sticker, so I was able to get a good deal because I know the Range Rover guy for a while. But if you guys are in the market, we could also help you out. Like I said, we are doing RDB motors soon, so new Range Rovers are gonna be the big next Urus for us, so stay tuned. We got a lot more coming.
Oh, the loser.
Oh.
Okay. You want to ask Chiquito maybe? You want to?
Chayo!
What's the problem?
Oh no, no problem. Is this?
It looks good. It came out good.
Come on, nice.
Good haircut.
Yeah.
Rooster. Rooster boy.
Polish
Yeah.
it? Are you sure?
See.
You want to polish it first and then you can put the parts?
Later, buffer.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Beautiful. You think you did a good job on this paint?
Sí. I know. Así, ¿verdad? I learned how to remove the tape. I have to put my hand in the back. and no breathe.
Breathing.
I have to breathe.
Slow breathing.
Here we have that gorgeous A12. This is, what did he say? Bianco Italia? What does that say? Can you read English?
No.
Bianco Italia. So this is one of the nicest Ferrari colors I've ever seen. Bianco Italia. It's 3-stage pearl white. Hey, I'm talking here. Can you talk way more than me usually, but right now your turn will come.
I just said telling him.
Okay, good. We had to blend the entire front of the car just for the bumper because there's no way anybody can match this paint when you just paint a bumper. Right now, the bumper was only temporarily on there to do the blending. We're retaking it off so we could put all the parts on there and put it back, and then this car is done. This car had a little minor damage on the front bumper, but on cars like this costs a lot of money, so be careful. Over there we have the SF90. I thought it was the same color, but it's actually a more white pearl, and that one is called Bianca Fuji. Really nice pearl white Ferraris. I'm a big fan of pearl white colors, and we're working on Ferraris like the factory right now.
When it's around after 4 p.m., it's insanity here. You can't drive a car. Sometimes we have tows that come in and tow trucks that are picking up cars, and it's, we gotta drive on the sidewalks to get the cars up on the trucks. It's crazy. How you doing? Damn it. You know, saying hello is free.
Your van's looking good lately.
Yeah, it is, huh?
Look at the angle.
RDB fixed it.
Son.
The windows didn't go down, right?
Why?
I mean, that the window, because the
Why?
battery was dying.
Okay, so my
No, but that doesn't.
shut
No,
up.
but-
When I took the car in
No,
the back,
you were
it was
only
already
able-
going down and up.
No, it
Remember?
wasn't. It wasn't.
Yes, it was.
It wasn't.
When you put the spray, the window went down by itself. Why?
Alright, whatever.
Why?
Because you completely turned it off. So in order for you to bypass that, you left the ignition on, and that's how the window stayed up, because the car wasn't completely off.
Know your facts before you come at me, you little goof.
He fucked it up on because the car's like, I know
It's
I'm turning.
ego.
Yeah.
You cannot accept his fault.
Yeah, that's true. You do have a lot of ego. That's how he shuts everybody up. He's like, I made a big sale today.
I sound better.
He's the best salesman here. Moses sells the best.
I didn't call it at 450, the highest one.
You're a joke.
I didn't call it at 450. Call it at 450.
And that customer never came back.
We paid the complete front end. It was like both fenders, hood, front bumper. We blend the doors.
Man, look at that paint match, Shark is.
Look beautiful.
Yeah. What's a 0 to 60 on this bad boy?
I like 3.2. It's 3.2 seconds.
You like the Spanish channel?
I think it's much better.
We got subtitles now.
I just don't know if it's are the subtitles correct? Gotta ask the fans.
Yeah.
How do they have 736 subscribers already? It took us about 2 years to get this. The regular channel.
Quality content.
Yep. Quality content with 0 comments.
Cadena más falsa que el pinche cobre a la verga.
Hey, hombre, deja de estar hablando de mi joyería.
Okay, so this is what he said. I'm gonna tell you. So he said, why is Javier taking on the car all day? All day long. I said, 1, he couldn't find the sensor. He found it now. And 2, it's a big job. So what did I say wrong? Tell me. Give me one thing I said wrong. Which part did I say wrong?
Anyways,
I did nothing wrong and he complains.
you're gonna get bonus, no? For this?
Yeah. You're gonna get a bonus for this. Your bonus is you're going on lifetime vacation.
You take this out and you put it over here.
Hey, you
And
put my name. Hey, they put my name over here. This one is too bad right there. This one has to be right here.
no, okay. No, don't do it. Do it.
Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Ah!
Oh, he's late.
No.
Oh, that's cool.
See, it says afternoon. We got morning.
Morning
Out
coming
is
in.
lunchtime. Back in and then out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So he needs 42 minutes overtime.
Oh,
Okay.
nice.
Luis was never here, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Mano, they're gonna chew you out because of that.
No, I have
Because he
I have 600 of these. I can just write his name again.
okay, do me a massage.
You have a budget. And ah, hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. All right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.